Namhlanje somasipala waseNkandla sisebenzisana nama-department akhona u-SAPS, u-Immigration waka-Home Affairs, umasipala waseNkandla ophikweni laka-disaster, u-Enviro waka-King Cetshwayo. Into esiyenzayo-ke namhlanje silekelela imiphakathi yaseNkandla ukubheka amabhizinisi ukuthi ahamba ngendlela yani abekho yini abokufika abakhona ngokungekho emthethweni, ngoba siyalwisana nokuthi abokufika bengenawo amaphepha babe khona la eNkandla. Sizothi-ke namhlanje emsebenzini wethu siyangena uchungechunge lokuthi singene sibheke umnyango kwaka-immigration wona kosilekelelayo ukubona ukuthi amaphepha ngaba semthethweni noma awekho emthethweni. Okunye-ke ngifisa ukuqwashisa kumphakathi waseNkandla okokuthi ey'tolo lezi abathenga kuzona ababheke ukudla ukuthi ngabe i-expiry date yakhona ithini, singaveli nje sithathe ngoba nezifo zibhedukile la ngaphandle. Ikakhulukazi-ke ey'tolo-ke kulaba-ke bokufika abaney'ncwadi bangene babheke ukuthi ukudla kuyikho, kufanelekile ukuthi bakuthenge, ney'ngane zabo futhi emakhaya bayiqwashise ukuthi ukudla abakudlayo akubo ukudla okunga-expayile futhi okusempilweni. Ngiyafisa futhi umphakathi waseNkandla ukuniqwashisa ekuthenini asibambisaneni kulaba abantu bokufika abahlala endlini zenu, ngoba ngiyaqonda ukuthi khona la baqashe khona bona laba banamaphepha. Nani bambani iqhaza ukuthi nibheke ukuthi laba bahlala khona ngabe bahlezi ngey'mvume yini, bese nuthinta umasipala ukuze umasipala nawo usukume wenze umsebenzi ofanelekile. Ngoba-ke njengoba silana leminyango nje sizoqinisekisa lokho ukuthi eNkandla akube indawo ephephile, abantu baseNkandla bahlale ngokukhululeka, abantu baseNkandla badayisayo badayise ngokukhululeka, kungabi khona ukubangiswa. Ngiyafisa ukusho umphakathi waseNkandla ukuthi njengoba sila sizothi-ke sonke ongangeni ngesango njengoba yakusho uPremier uyafohla. Asibambisaneni ukuze impilo yethu yaseNkandla iqhubeke ngendlela nokubambisana, kungabi bikho la esithi khona asazi, kodwa sonke asibe nevesi elilodwa lokuthi iNkandla yethu ayithuthuke, impilo ibe yinhle, kube nokubambisana. Ngiyabonga mphakathi waseNkandla, sethembeni somasipala waseNkandla.
License labakukhanyisa. Isifayini bakukhanyile ngakunikeza isitolo. But wena hamba u-apply license. Unikwa angiyeza namafomu ukuthi ngiyoza u-apply qala kamasipala. Awunayishida license.
Phone number kanjani?
Phone number lakho bani?
Yami ngathi.
Angathi uyayibheka efonini. Uthini? Uthini?
Yami abikho. Kanjani ngathi?
Hayi usinda la ngathi. Phone number yakho. Ayikho le yakho. Use unencwadi la. What ngayo? This is official yakho license. Ngicela ukubheka inamba yakho.
To conduct a business.
Hayi ukuthi emsebenze. Yena ngokwakho usebenzela bakukhanyile.
Isingisi nawo business.
Bakukhanyile.
Akala license.
Ukhanyile register store. Yena ngidayisa ukwala.
Mega business.
Kodwa kodwa futhi ukakhanyile.
Incwadi yakho ukuthi that is officially appointed to conduct a business. Not to work.
Yes, to be honestly, I really don't understand what is going on here. This is Midubek. I'm reporting live from Middleburg, like right now. It is happening in the flats. But I really don't understand what the fuck is this. On Sunday, 6 o'clock, late, President was talking about this thing. He said there is no one who is supposed to go and ask for the documentation. Well, you are not a policeman. But can someone tell me here, does the rule work in South Africa? Does people have a respect when president says something? This is live from Middleburg, guys. I don't understand what the hell. People are going door to door, knocking, ask for the papers, searching up and down. What are searching? So do you think, my man, the drugs can stay in the oven? Umona. Naza na umona shem. Naza na bano umona like reality. Naza na bane mona bafethu. Angifuna ukunitshela manga. You guys, you are so jealous. You are very, very jealous. And then you guys, Chelan Minala, tell me here, are you not able to do the job alone as police officers without the community? Do you want to tell me the community have that power to help you just going around searching people's houses? No.
Why are you looking?
I think president must have something to do about this. If the police, they are going out to arrest those people, they must go alone. Why must they go with community? For what reason? What the hell is this?
Please share the life.
What the fucking hell is this?
You must have your papers at all.
Miyeke wena. Lisumuye. Yini nkinga yakho? If the person even got papers, you don't have the permission to push him like that. You guys, you are jealousy.
Where's your document?
You know, jealous kills. Jealous is same like BP. Jealous is same like stress. Jealous is same like cancer. You guys, you die because of jealousy. And then you go to hell, fucking hell.
Please share. Please share. So the world can see. Please share. Follow me.
Kwaze kwanzi. Angintshela manga. Straight. Kwaze kwanzi. Maya, what do you think you're gonna get the hell from that bag?
There's something inside.
You think the Pakistan people, they sell drugs? They don't sell drugs, man. They sell power banks and batteries for the phone and the phone call phones and speakers and blankets. They don't sell drugs. Fuck. You are going to get nothing there.
You must go home, ne? You must leave. Go to your country. We don't want you anymore. With no life.
I think president must have something to do about this. Like, seriously.
Why you take time to open?
No, we don't disagree that the police can go and
we've been knocking
search for the people who haven't got papers. But this thing of going with community, what is the community for? The community, they are proving you, policemen, that you cannot do your job. You don't know how to do your job. They are trying to prove that. They are taking you as a useless thing. They are taking policemen as a useless peoples. They don't know how to do them alone. And you policemen, why are you agreeing to go with the community to do such a job? Because that is your own job. It's not a community's job. Meaning all those people, they don't go to work, busy going around looking for the undocumented peoples. Okay, if you don't find any undocumented person there in that house, well, you already search up and down their house. What are you going to do?
Guys, please share the life. Please share the life. Everything. Share the life. We are working here. The world must see we are working here.
So
Hey, mphakathi.
mina ufana bamke ngimtshele lento eniyenzayo guys. Nina kungcono is better you guys you just show the police where is the people. Then you stay outside, the police they go inside, they do their job, but they really know how to do it professionally. Not like always you want to be there. You want to be there for what? For amehlo wabantu. Anizinja mfana. Anizinja mpela. Nizinja vegani, nizinja.
The world can see, so the president can see what is happening right now. Please share the live. Abaji abantu abana maphepha. Njengoba babona abana maphepha labantu. Bahleli lapha batholakala ebuilding elaseMiddelburg. Please share the live. Njengoba babona bonke labantu laba. Ibuka ibandla elingaka. Buka ibandla elingaka. Ibandla lonke tholakele lapha. Ibandla lonke lapha litholakele ibandla. Buka ibandla.
Hurry up. We're not playing here.
Vulani ngapho.
Hey, izanphe.
Hurry up. Yeah, bayahla. Hurry up.
Ibandla my friend. It's quite a ibandla, my friend. Please share this live so the world can see people are working.
You guys are ngeke nivuke ubonile umbuso wazizulu. Ngeke nivuke ubonile. Iyetrade nayo. Nina yazi nina ni domu kakhulu. Sorry by saying.
Phakathi balendile.
Mara nina ni domu kakhulu. Tom.
Phakathi balendile. Share the live. Phakathi balendile njengamanje.
Lipizi lanilwa impi yakaJacinta noPhakela. uJacinta wayithandana ne-Oga eNigeria. uJacinta wayijola ne-Oga eNigeria lela. That Nigerian guy, he hates uJacinta a lot. So Jacinta, she's heartbroken because of her Nigerian boyfriend. Disappointed her. Now you guys, you are helping Jacinta to revenge people from outside. By the start, it was kumnandi. That time, it was very beautiful, so sweet and nice. You guys, you know them. They didn't invite you for their relationship. But now because they disappoint each other, they are busy inviting you to come and play revenge together. Same to Phakela Mthakathi. Phakela Mthakathi was dating Bekezela Dube from Zimbabwe. Then Phakela Mthakathi, he bought a house and a car for Bekezela Dube. After Phakela Mthakathi bought a house and a car for Bekezela Dube, then Bekezela Dube, she just find out that Phakela Mthakathi is not her type. Then she dumped Phakela. Then the house and the car, zidliwe. Now Nina, you are helping Phakela Mthakathi and Jacinta Zuma to revenge their bitterness. Lento eniyenzayo le maniqeda ukusuka lapho engimtsheleni nihola malini. How many days have you spent? How many months have you spent doing this thing? And how much did you earn from doing this thing? Number 2, you are helping also working also both man and Pagelum Tagat and Jacinda Zuma to do their content. You guys are helping those people that are making millionaires on their content creation, on their monetization. Then you end up with Tom Koku, ulandela kuphela emuva. Awazi ukuthi lento bayenzayo labantu iyabakhokhela. Hayi. Ndomba. Niyobuya nini nibe right mara. Ake ngimtshela niyobuya nini nibe right novuka nini emaqandeni. Niyoba right nini. I'm busy. Nabantu kufanele bahambe, nabantu kufanele bayenze indini, mabahambe, mababele emakhaya, makwenziwe nibhizi ngalokho angithi. Labantu babhizi ngama-camera, they are creating content, they are earning 600 to 700 rand each and every fucking day. Then nina nibhizi niyalandela, kuphela niyalandela, ukhona ukuthi uzicreatele content, awazi nokuthi ukuze ube yi-content creator ukwazi ukuthi uyiholele lento nawe ikufakele okuncane ngoba nje kubhizi isikhathi sokuthi wenza imali nawe. Ngabe nje ubhizi unefoni yakho uchuda nje uposta ku Facebook umonetize nje. Ngabe nawe so uyayithola imali. Mara ngoba you're just excited ngokuthi abantu bayahamba, you don't even think for yourself. Njengoba niyabahambisa labantu eCongo yini le country leya elokuzilo. ITanzania yini le country leya sengikhohlile ethumele indiza ukuthi izolanda abantu bayo la. Yiphi izwe lela. Since bahambile laba bayi-300 and something ngalelo langa. Since bahambile bayi-300 and something. Do you have 300 and something South Africans that will give job to replace those people? Laba bahambile. Do you already have, is there any 300 South Africans that will replace those people? Already replaced? Nothing. Usebhizi abantu bayamaketha le mafemini wena uyenzi next uphuma emkhukwini uhamba uyoqhula ushaya ipempe uyagida ubuya ukhathele unuka neteki umjuluko ikwapha linuka bhu mawuya endlini akunansipho mawuya endlini akunakudla mawuya endlini akunafokolo. Kuyafana lento eniyenza iyahlula nohulumeni, lento eniyenza iyahlula nabokhokho wenu. Angeke nize niyiwine bafana bami into yokuqotha amazayiza. Khohlwa uzobona musa. Zozongibamba ngesandla ukuthi bafokhe washo. Nizohlupha nihluphe niya up and down. But you won't win this game, guys. You will never win this game. This game it needs a government. When the president say from today we don't need any foreigner that will enter in our country, they will stop immediately. They will stop immediately. You guys, you are not government. You are focal. Niyavuka niyasangana nje. Kungendaba yenhliziyo yempi. Manje akwafana bafana bamangeke zesihambe. Asindawo. Nanoma singahamba the following day siyagibela siyabuya. So nina nizosebenza ukuxotshana nathi mina. Yeah. Nina nithewukela. Nizosebenza ukuxotsha thina. Siyathewukelisa strong. Nizosebenza ukuxotshana nathi. It's yona into enizoyenza. Nizosebenza ukuxotsha thina. Ngoba thina angeke sisikhambe. Nizosikhambisa ngamasimo siyahamba sositembisa ama-passport siyabuya manithi ngiyasikhambisa sijika police station sinama-passport anevisa siyabuya futhi siyahlala la sizohlala sizondana asizondani niyasizonda asinizonde kusalayo sokuhlalisana ngoba omastande abayidingi imali yerenki into eningayazi. And man ngabe ukuzokokoda election bafana bami uma stand into bazonikahlela yona bazonikahlela yona umphakathi ozabe sele elokishini angize bafana nikeni zami ngizobona into endishoyo uma stande into bazonikahlela yona abheji angabheji mina nje elokishini
umphakathi uvule kanje
njenibhizi niyadisturba nidisturb omastanda bentolo abomastanda balamaflats bebathola imali through that amaflat nawo mina nibhizi niyadisturba imali angeke isakwazi ukuba khona into eningayazi ukuthi maniyenza so nina nicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe nimotshela abantu ngofika kanti nimotshela ngabazala benu nimotshela nabantu abala eSouth Africa ngoba nabo baphila ngemali yerent thina esikhokhayo ba umuntu lo mangaba akusekho umuntu ozokhokha irent akhe ebhazabhaza lendlu atshela ukuyena uzokuchashisa ubroker kokuhlala bobani mina into enenza yenza sense ngiyabonakala ukuthi serious nishoda nge-education hayi welana esikolweni ku-grade R straight or grade RR hayi welana esikolweni into eniyenzayo hayabonakala ukuthi